Hello all. When you install Raspberry Pi OS on your Raspberry using the SD card, so you might not have all the applications that are intended, right? You might have installed a lightweight Raspberry OS. Okay, so one of the important application most of the content creators need is screen recording. So if you see the accessories of your Raspberry Pi, you might not have this by default. This is a brand new Raspberry OS. So in this case, if you want to install the screen recorder, one of the options that is available is vokoscreen. Vokoscreen is a lightweight screen recorder available for the Linux machines. Okay, we know, right? Basically, Raspbian OS is a variant of Debian. Again, it's a again Linux version, right? Now, for installing, go to the command terminal. Click on terminal. The command prompt window opens up. So to install, type the appropriate command: sudo apt install vokoscreen. Okay, so you can see it starts installing and uh, it asks, do you want to continue? Yes. Okay, so you can see it started fetching the things. So once it is installed, we can see it comes back to the prompt. Okay, and you can close this terminal, or what we can do is to just check without going. Okay, type the same command. Okay, so by pressing the up key, you can get the same command. If you enter, it's just trying to check. You can see vokoscreen is already the latest version. Okay, so this is what the installation process is. Now, once you go to the accessories now, okay, or sound and video actually, you can see the vokoscreen. So this is so let's close the command prompt. We have opened the vokoscreen. So it's just trying to open up. So what happens is to for your Raspberry Pi to be faster, use a higher capacity SD card. That's what helps you. So this is how it is. So you using this, we can record your videos. Thank you.